That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Hi there, I'm sure like me you've been loving Mr. Martin's recipes on Fun Fridays, so I've offered to show you one of mine. This is our take on a Mexican chicken bake. It's one I taught my children when they were about your age, and they carried on cooking it all the way through the university years because it's fairly easy and it's not too expensive to make. So I hope you enjoy and have a go at it. This is our Mexican style chicken bake. You will need a frying pan that goes in the oven, or just a normal frying pan and an oven-proof casserole dish. You need a cheese grater, a spatula or a wooden spoon, a sharp knife or a pair of scissors, and a chopping board for the meat. The ingredients are 500 grams of chicken breast, or you can use any piece of chicken. This is just easy, no bones, no skin, nothing. Then I've got a tin of chili beans in chili sauce, a tin of chopped tomatoes. They don't have to be chopped, they can be just tinned tomatoes. You can break them up with your wooden spoon in the pan. Then I'm going to use some onion granules and some garlic granules. You can use fresh garlic clove if you wish. It's so much easier with the dried ones. You'll need a little bit of olive oil or any sort of oil. Some tortilla chips. We've got Doritos, they're my favourite. And some cheddar or some sort of cheese to grate on the top. So, first we're going to chop our chicken into small chunks, bite-sized pieces. You can do this with a knife, or you can do it with the scissors, as I said, easy with a pair of sharp scissors. Make sure they're the ones for the cooking though. So there I have my chopped chicken. To my frying pan I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. It doesn't have to be exact, just about a tablespoon. Put it in my frying pan. Then I'm going to put that on the heat for a few minutes just to warm up so I can put my chicken in. So when your oil's warmed up, I'm just going to add our chicken using my spatula. Don't want to get any oil on my hand. And, you know, that's starting to sizzle. Just going to let that sizzle for a few minutes. Until it's nice and golden brown. Occasionally turning the chicken. Give it a stir around occasionally. Make sure it doesn't stick too much. While you're waiting for your chicken to cook, turn the oven on to 180 degrees centigrade, or if it's a fan oven, 170 degrees centigrade. And that can be warming up. I've taken about 80 grams of cheddar cheese. I'm just going to grate that ready to go on the top. I'm using the sort of largest holes in the grater. And another stir. Already starting to smell yummy. So when your chicken's been frying for about 5 or 6 minutes, as long as the pieces aren't too big, it should be fairly already nearly cooked, but you can see they're golden brown, starting to get a really nice colour. And I'm going to add in my tin of tomatoes and my tin of chili beans in chili sauce. Get that all out, for that yummy goodness. Half a teaspoon of my onion granules. and about a teaspoon of my garlic granules. And we're going to give that all a nice stir, and you can see it's already bubbling, so I'm just going to reduce the heat a little bit. Just so it bubbles away nicely. Give it a good stir, get all of those mixed in. And I'm just going to leave it to bubble for a few minutes, probably about 5 minutes, just to make sure that chicken is cooked. So the chicken's been bubbling away for about 7 to 10 minutes. Should be cooked all the way through because the pieces aren't very small. Now we're going to finish it off and put it in the oven. I'm just going to turn the heat off. Fun bit. Get my Doritos, and I'm going to just set one over the top so that they cover the chicken. Want to get a close up of that? Oh, I'll tap one. Spread them out a bit so that everybody will get some. Then I'm going to take my grated cheese and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the top. You can see that's plenty. Then you may want to get an adult to help you. I'm going to open the oven door. I'm going to lift my dish in the oven for about another 5 to 7 minutes. So after about 5-7 minutes in the oven, I'm going to take it out. And you can see the sauce is bubbling nicely. Crisps are a bit more crisper and the cheese is all nice and melted. So here we are, my Mexican chicken bake. All I need now is some friends to share it with.